Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. We're going to be drawing a cute Knuckles today. We're going to start with the simple steps to build up the Knuckles. We're going to actually start with his head shape first. So we're going to go mark a little bit of the center of the page, right around the top, and this is going to be the top of our head. And we're going to go on either side to right around here. So we're going to just follow these dots and then draw the curved line. One side, and we're going to repeat the other side. This is going to be the top of his head. Like so. Once you're done with this step, we're going to just add a little U right on either side. With that done, that's going to be the first piece of the hair, and we're going to draw in the second piece on either side. I'm going to just mark 2 dots from the center of this right here. Like so, and then we're going to just draw a line straight down either side. So, and we're going to just connect the first piece of hair on either side, and then connect the two. That's going to be the hair. With the hair done, let's just draw in the chin. So going from the bottom of the hair right around here, we're going to connect it with a big round shape for the chin. Let's draw in the nose detail. Right around here, we're just going to do a lump. And then 2 U's on either side of the lump. And a triangle for the nose. And then color in the nose. That's looking really good. Now we just need a little mouth. It's just going to be a cute little smile right there. And then we're to move forward, we're going to focus on the eyes. We're going to just go from the nose, right, not in the center page, on the right a little bit. We're going to go up and connect it to this point we started for the first eye. And we're going to repeat on the other side. Go from here and then connect it to the top. Now let's just draw in the 2 lines for the eyebrows on either side. Okay, once you're done with this step, let's just focus on the eyes. The eyes are going to just be these big ovals. Let's go right here, down, big oval, and on the other side, big oval. Try to make sure they're the same size. Looking really good. Now 2 little circles on either side, and then the black circle in the middle, and just color that black. And your head is complete. Once you're done with the eyes, we're going to move over to the body. The body is going to be pretty simple. We're going to go from the neck right here, go down just a little bit to this point on either side. And once you're done with that, we're going to add these little rectangles one side and another rectangle on the other side. With the 2 rectangles done, let's just draw in the little line for the body to connect it. That's looking really good. And then let's do a little pattern for his shirt, or his chest I mean. It's just going to be these 2 U shapes. And this is going to be white and red, so that's just a separation. And now we're going to draw in the boot. For the boot, we're going to start from this point, go down to around here, like so. And you want to repeat this on the other side. And then on the opposite end, we're going to go up a little to around here, and we're going to draw in a curve also on either side. Take your time with that. And then let's connect the bottom of the boot with this big oval on both sides. And Knuckle does have 2 tones to his feet, so we're just gonna add the line for the 2 tones right there, and then a little line to add some depth to the bottom of his shoe. I'll give you some time to finish that. Once you're done with that, let's move over to the arms and then his iconic Knuckles. We're gonna actually start with the arm part. So right around between the 2 connection points, we're gonna draw 2 little lines on either side. And with those lines done, we're gonna draw in this rectangle or rounded oval shape right here to start his glove. And for Knuckles, we're gonna actually draw in a curve to start out the fist, a line down here, and complete it with the first knuckle. Let's just draw the second knuckle right behind it, and then complete the knuckles. And repeat the same thing on the other side. We're gonna go up, draw the first knuckle around here, it, and then the second knuckle, and a line to complete it. Once you're done with that step, you have a completed chibi Knuckles drawing. Let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have suggestions for any other characters, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.